playing Trainmaker. Oh my god, those ads. I'm sorry. For my subscribers who don't know what Trainmaker is, it's a game where you make your own trains and put them in different tracks. And today we're playing with my first train. So a lot of you told me to play these for today. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's just those ads. Okay. Guys, tell me what other things do you want me to do instead of gaming videos for this. Planning to do like 3 AM videos. I've been putting it in the about page. New content incoming 3 AM videos. So you better be tuned. Stay tuned. But tell me what other type of content would you like me to do? To explore the Japanese scenery date. So thank